This watercolour painting set has been designed for you to learn and practice the basic techniques of watercolour painting. All the painting materials needed are in this kit. There's one detailing brush, 3 professional watercolours, Raw Sienna, Sepia and Cadmium Scarlet, presented on a paper watercolour palette. No drawing skills required. Look at these pencil drawn designs that we've done for you. You just need to follow the instructions or paint along with the video demonstrations to produce 3 cards. Envelopes are all included.